Hey everyone, we're going to look at number 3 in section 4.6. This is just choose the graph. Make sure you understand. Don't just randomly pick until you get it right. Make sure you understand what's going on. They do have the notation we talked about here. So identify the graph of a function for which f prime and f double prime take on the following sign combinations in order. So the minus plus here means that the function first starts going from left to right as a derivative that is negative, second derivative positive. Then it changes to what? First derivative being positive, second derivative still positive as we move from left to right. And then uh, first derivative staying positive, second derivative changes to negative. So as we move from left to right, let's take a look at these. I think we can rule out two of the graphs almost immediately with the first combination. So minus plus. That means initially moving from left to right, we must be first derivative negative. That means the function's decreasing. We've got to be going down. If I take a look at this first one up here, upper left here, it's increasing initially. So that can't be the correct sign combination, right? Because the function's initially increasing and then decreasing, it's got to have a positive first derivative to start with. So that won't work. Same thing with the bottom left one here, if you will. It's increasing as well initially and then decreasing. So this minus plus combination can't work. These two functions on the right here are both decreasing initially, so maybe they are our two candidates right now. Now, in addition, initially, the first derivative is negative, the second derivative is positive. Second derivative positive means we're concave up, right? We've got that smile shape, right? The U sort of shape. And notice both graphs have that sort of shape initially, right? And so we don't know which one of these two is it yet, but I think we're going to determine that from the second sign combination, plus plus. Well, what's changes? Now the derivative is positive, meaning we change to increasing. Staying as what? Concave up, though. So if I look at this first one, we're decreasing, right? Negative. And then we kind of reach a point here that we have possibly looks like a point of inflection because we're concave up here and then concave down here. But we're also decreasing, right? So in fact, it's changing to decreasing and concave down, which would be minus minus, not plus plus. So I'm thinking this one is not it as well. Let's make sure this one confirms what we want it to do. We're decreasing down to about zero here, and then we're increasing. So the derivative does change from negative to positive. But notice the concavity, we're always concave up. We've got the smile going, right? We have the derivative increasing all the way through there. But then somewhere in here, uh, there is a change, right, in the concavity. We're still increasing, but now what? We're starting to move that derivative decreasing, right? We're reaching that frown, right? And so we're changing to positive first derivative, negative second derivative, which is this last sign combination. So these three sign combinations certainly work for this one here. Again, be careful with yours. The graphs may be slightly different or reorganized. Let's make sure we did it right. Okay, we've got it solved. Okay, I hope this is helpful on this one for you. And